Alright, good morning guys. Just finished up with another roof and it's around 1 o'clock right now and it's time for lunch. Time for the first meal of the day. Are you hungry?
I'm always hungry.
At least she's honest. Guys, we just passed something, we're getting off this exit, that I haven't seen. Have we seen that down here? Maybe once. We saw a Boston Market. Man, I haven't had Boston Market in like the longest time. I think since I've been like up in New York. They're pretty popular up there, so not down here so much. So we're gonna go get that for lunch, and then we're gonna go hang out somewhere. I got a roof tomorrow, but that's not till tomorrow morning. So we're gonna find somewhere to hang, and if we can find like a quiet place, maybe I'll throw the drone up. I'll see if I can play with that a little bit. All right, guys, picked up our Boston Market. Look at that. Oh my God, it looks so good. Everything looks so good. What'd you get? You got chicken and what was that, mac and cheese and mashed potatoes?
Yes.
Alright guys, we're gonna chow this down. I didn't get a chance to change the blinker bulb the other day at the campground yesterday, so I gotta go over to Home Depot. I gotta get some more stuff for tomorrow, so we'll stop there, get whatever I gotta get there, and then hopefully there's like a spot where we could park in the back away from everybody. I'm gonna unload the bike and fix that, and then yeah, so that way we'll be all situated with that. All right guys, slight change of plans. So I was gonna do everything over at that Home Depot that I stopped at. I got a nice new heavy duty paint stick, like the extendable one, because I kept buying this one. It had like the plastic tip that you'd screw into the roller, and it just kept breaking on me. It's a piece of junk. So I decided to invest a little bit more money into this one. It's a lot more heavy duty, and the tip is metal, so it should last quite a bit longer. But anyway, we ran back over to to Cape Canaveral rather, to our P.O. box. I want to check my mail real quick. I'm waiting on a sticker, on a new sticker for the van. I'm super excited to put it on, and I'm going to just check the mail in general, see if we got anything good, if anybody sent me $1 million check. If you guys are ever looking for our P.O. box or anything below, it's always down below in the not in the comments, in the description. Right, so I know a couple of you are asking for that. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go check my P.O. box, and then we're gonna go to the park, and that's where I'm gonna do the taillight bulb, and I'm gonna run the generator for a little bit too. I haven't ran it in probably like, I feel like a week, at least, no, like a couple of weeks. It's been cold lately, so I haven't had to really run it. Let me go check my mail, and I'll get back with you guys once we get to the park. All right, guys, we're over here at my favorite park that we like to hang out at with the water. It's just a convenient park because we go from the P.O. box literally straight down the causeway over here and hop off the exit, and then we just hang out here for the day. Nobody bothers us. There's usually other vanners here and stuff, or other RVers, so nobody bothers us. And now we have the protection of the cops. Now they're hanging out here too.
Nobody bothers us.
You a good boy? Oh yeah. Guys, I got my sticker. Check it out. My other ride is a Grom. I love that. So, at first I was worried. I was gonna get it in red to match the bike color, but I was like, if I get red and then the back windows are tinted, it might be hard to see, to read. So I'm glad we got the white. It looks really good, and it'll look even better once I get it on the black tint. So let me clean up my window, and then we'll put this new sticker on, guys. All right, guys, I got the generator on, running. Just trying to get the blood flowing through it a little bit, run the oil a little bit, clean out the carb. That way, these small engines, if you leave gas in them for a really long time, they tend to like gunk up and stuff, and then you'll have to take the whole bowl apart and the carburetor apart and clean it and everything. So it's a whole process. So instead of doing that, one, you can either put like Sta-Bil in it if you're not going to run it all the time, or you could just start it up now and then like I do. Now normally here in Florida we run them every day, every other day for the AC. But these past 2 weeks, it's been in like the 40s every night, so we haven't really needed it. But got the bike out, might take that for a little spin a little later on. And I got the sticker on, guys. Now, if you guys have never put a sticker on like this before, now this has a clear liner on it. You'll press this on with a credit card, and you slide it left to right, up and down with good force. Leave this on for a little while, for like 5, 10, 15 minutes. That way it really adheres, and then you'll peel this plastic off and it'll just leave the white lettering. So that'll look really nice once it's done. Pretty thrilled about it, guys. Cleaned the window and everything before, of course. That way you get a good clean surface. I got Sam inside. We're reorganizing everything. Yeah, because now that I have the bike on the back, I used to have the paint stuff right in the back. But now that I have the bike on the back, I'm trying to not have to take the bike off every time I need to get to my paint stuff. So we're gonna put our paint stuff in this front left corner. That way it's just there. I can pull it out when I need a job. It'll be nice and easy to get to. Other than that, guys, we're just gonna hang out here and try to stay warm. It's cold, you know, we're right by the beach. It's super breezy today. It's probably about 50 degrees right now, 55. Some Florida weather. All right, let me get all straightened up here, guys, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I got it on there. It looks good. I'm slightly annoyed because it's, you guys can see it, it's slightly crooked. I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but it is. But it still gets my, you know, my statement across. And my other ride is a Grom. Anyway, still breaking in, well, still running the generator, I should say. We're making it a productive run, at least, though. We're charging up the Jackery more, and Sam has the interior lights going on. We're charging up some fans and some other rechargeable stuff that we charge off electricity that has like rechargeable batteries and stuff. So at least we're doing it productively. I tried wiping down the van a little bit. It needs a bath. I don't know, it looks horrible. I made it even worse. Look at all those swirl marks now. I don't know, it looks like something splashed up and then dripped down the side or something. It just doesn't look good, but I'll take it to the, I don't know, to some car wash somewhere. Someday. Just so busy, guys. I wanted to get the drone up. I'll see if I can get the drone up. It's not too breezy, we'll see. All right, guys, we're finally pulling out the drone. This thing is crazy light. I mean, I know it has to be light to fly and everything, but I didn't expect it to be this light. And then we got the controller, some replacement props. These are some guards in case I crash this thing, which who knows. Extra battery, which is really nice, so I could always like have one charging. And then I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if this is like a landing base or something like that. And then here's the USB charger to charge her up. And you can charge it right from the bottom here. So that's pretty cool. And then here's the camera, shoots 1080p. And then this thing, all these lights light up and stuff. Let me get it charged up and then we'll see what we can do. Well, guys, I was gonna try the drone. I pulled it all out, I put the little safety bumper things on, I'm reading through the manual to try to figure out what the hell I'm doing, because it's kind of complicated a little bit, sort of. There's a lot of buttons, a lot of doohickeys, so I'm trying to learn. And of course, guys, look, it's starting to rain. So I covered the bike, and I put one of my dirty towels from my jobs over the generator. That blows. Well, I don't know if it's gonna, you know, we were driving here and Sam's like, you know, it hasn't rained here in a while. And now it's raining. Thanks, Sam. Appreciate it.
You're right.
So, I don't know if it's gonna pass. It may. Kinda looks like it's clearing up in the horizon a little bit. I don't know. I'll let you guys know what happens.
So I don't know if you guys can see, but Sean is right there trying to get the drone out of the tree because he got it stuck. He figures he gets it stuck in the highest palm that's here. Can't even see it, but it's up there. The walk of defeat. And this is exactly why I am not buying an expensive drone.
Right. This is exactly why, guys. This is exactly why I don't spend $400 or more. Some of these drones are like $1,500, $2,000. I would never spend that much money.
And especially after that getting stuck in the tree, I'm not buying another drone.
I had this thing for like 5 minutes, guys. I don't know. Whatever. I tried it. Sorry. I don't know if I have a tennis ball or something. I'm gonna see if I can.
We don't have a tennis ball.
I got that block of mozzarella cheese.
We're not using
I'm gonna throw that at it.
it.
That's crazy. Someone's gonna think it's a damn UFO in the tree later tonight when the tree is blinking. I could maybe use this as like a harpoon.
Yeah, and then you'll get that stuck in there, and then we'd really be screwed. And our ladder won't reach, it's way too high.
No, it's mad Paul.
Well, that's our fun, adventurous Christmas gift.
Got nothing in here, I can throw it down.
Well, that was a fail.
Guys.
And Sean threw like 3 different things into the tree.
I threw Gorilla Glue, Harbor Freight, one of those blue lights, and a measuring tape. And they are now all ornaments in that tree.
So if you guys are ever in the area and you're looking for that stuff, just try to get it out of the tree.
Yeah, it's all in the tree, along with the drone that I had for like 5 seconds. I don't know.
Alright, so we're gonna finish organizing inside the van and...
Now I'm gonna go order myself one of those $400 ones.
Yeah, okay, I'm not getting you a drone.
Oh man! Guys, I just want to give you an update on this awesome vacuum. So I just used this hose adapter thing, right? And it, it just plugs into the bottom, and then I just use it just to go around. I got all the crevices and stuff. I mean, don't mind the stained carpet. I have to clean all that, but I mean, it got up all the debris and stuff. Looks great. I just gotta sweep this out, and then we'll be good to go. But definitely approve on the vacuum. Look how much hair and stuff it gets. I mean, most of this is from the front. It's all like sand and dirt. We go in and out of the van a lot during the day. So, and a lot of times when we go to people's houses for their roofs and stuff, usually their RVs are like in the backyard and it's dirty and muddy or sandy, depends on where they are. But yeah, that vacuum definitely worth its weight in gold. All right, guys, I'm gonna put an ending on this video. We got Domino's over here. We got their new Brooklyn style pizza, so we're gonna try that out. Hopefully it's good tonight. Cody, you wanna say goodnight? Goodnight? He wants to just jump up and look out the window. I know. Sam, you have anything to say?
No, I'm blind.
All right. Unfortunately, I lost my drone today, officially. I tried to get it out, guys. I don't know. So drones are not for me. Sam and I went on our first motorcycle ride together today. That was cool. In the parking lot, she hopped on. We just went around 2 laps. Just trying to get, used to the weight and everything. It's not much different, actually. It's pretty comfortable, so... We'll keep working on that, of course, and I'll keep working on my proficiency skills, and one day we'll go out or buzz around town. So, we're going to drive down to this new job I have for tomorrow, and it's about an hour and a half from here, but we're going to have a couple...
2 hours.
Oh, 2 hours?
We drove away.
Oh, I drove out of the way to go get Domino's. But I have a couple jobs down that way anyway, and then I have to go get my license thing taken care of. I told you guys all about that with getting my motorcycle endorsement added on, so woo! All right. Anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye, guys. All right. Say bye, Cody. Bye. All right.